My name is Jose Alvarez. I'm a strategic advisor for startups and established companies in emerging technologies. And today I have the great pleasure of introduce Amol Borkar, who is a product marketing director at Cadence. He has led the development of many successful hardware and software products, which includes the latest Tensilica Vision P1 DSP. Within Tensilica, he's been responsible for product managing, marketing, and previously he was a part of Intel RealSense, where he was instrumental in a number of RealSense 3D cameras. So he's going to be talking about solving tomorrow's AR problems today with Cadence's newest processor. So please welcome Amol.
Thank you, Jose. Let's get started. So yes, as Jose introduced, I'm Amol Borkar. I'm the director for product management and marketing at Cadence and Tensilica Group. So today we're going to show you a new product that we're offering from Cadence. And let me just build it up for you, how the market has been evolving. So I think we all know about this. The AI market has been proliferating, has been growing. All these places, AR, VR, automotive, IoT, we are starting to see more and more influence of AI-based workloads and AI-based processing. And I'm sure you've seen this slide many times from Cadence before, but we just want to highlight over here that the landscape for AI has been evolving and has been changing. I think most of us are familiar with 2014 timeframe, where we had the HAR classifiers and hog-based gradient detectors, which were used to do basic detection of objects. Around 2012, boom of AI came in. You started seeing CNNs. Then we started seeing large language models, transformers, vision transformers, multimodal Gen AI, and now we're starting to see all these agentic and physical AI usages. Thing we want to point out over here is this market is evolving fast. You can see a big evolution has happened from 2012 up till right now, but hardware still takes a long time. If you're looking at silicon, it takes about 12 to 18 months for the silicon to come back once the design is frozen. Okay? But as we pointed out, AI landscape is constantly evolving. And in order to be competitive in this ever-evolving market, we need architecture and SoC designs to be flexible and capable enough to handle these workloads that possibly are not defined yet.